Google Chrome is the recommended web browser for the Chelmsford Public Schools as it works best with all the sites you will be accessing for learning this year. If you're using a school Chromebook, Google Chrome is already installed and ready for you to use. However, if you're using a personal computer and don't have Google Chrome, you can easily download it. First, log into your personal computer. Here's the icon for Google Chrome. If you don't have it on your device, open the web browser that you currently use. In the address bar at the top, click and type in google.com/Chrome and hit enter on your keyboard. This will load a Google Chrome download page, prompting you to download Chrome. I'm using a Windows operating system, but if you're using a Mac, double check that under the download button it says for Mac. Review any checkboxes that are on the site and uncheck as you wish. Then click the Download Chrome option and follow the installation process. The download will show usually at the top, and the directions are below the download option on the web page. Check out other videos for more information and helpful tips.